guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be doing vinyl unboxing. Two vinyl clear gum box. They arrived today, but I haven't opened them. I've been saving them for this. So first on top, I kind of rushed to open it because I was too excited, but we'll open it together. I think it's my short and sweet one. I've been looking for this for months because I have the original, but I wanted this one too. Let's open it. Guys, I got out of the... I'm so excited. Okay. I think it's the same as that one, pretty sure. We'll look in here first. I get exclusive to this one, I think. I got food. Oh, wait. I have two of these on. Okay, so there's two of these in there, but I'm just gonna take out one because they're both the same color, I think. It's like a... It's just a, yeah, it's just dark blue. Yeah, there's two. I don't need to take out the other one, both the same. But I'm gonna see. This one, like, just inside the sleeve. The other one doesn't. It only has like white. So, okay, so it's kind of dirty. I haven't really. Yeah, I'll take these out, but yeah, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, I got it, guys. I'm so happy to finally have this on vinyl. I've been looking forward for months. Okay. I get one more vinyl. I think this is my Fruitcake vinyl. Like, well, I've been wanting them for Christmas almost, and I don't wanted this EP thing. Let's see if I can get it ready. I'm so happy. I love this EP. I've been wanting it for ages. Okay. And this. It's very light too, but it's EP. Okay. So yeah. I just can't get that. Wait, let me open it. Finally got it open after a very long time, and she looked really pretty here. I love it. Okay. Fruitcake. Yeah, no, it's not okay. There's a postcard with the track on it. Track listings or something to this, I think. Yeah. Okay, me. It's so pretty. It's like dark velvet. I'm gonna see it. Sloppy. I wanted to do so badly. I've been looking for months and I finally have them.